Hi everyone, it's me again. Another good video, so don't forget to like and enjoy watching.
Fact 1. It rains diamonds on Saturn and Jupiter.
Fact 2. There's an island in Japan inhabited only by rabbits.
Fact 3. A jellyfish species can live forever by reverting its cells.
Fact 4. There's a boiling river in the Amazon that can cook animals alive.
Fact 5. Bananas are technically berries, but strawberries aren't.
Fact 6. Australia sometimes experiences spider rain.
Fact 7. Octopuses have 9 brains and blue blood.
Interesting fact about the carpet. Sometimes the most ordinary things hide entire worlds. Take a carpet. We step on it every day without a second thought, but over the years it can hold more bacteria than a toilet seat, up to 200,000 per square centimeter. That's why watching carpet cleaning is so oddly satisfying. Layer by layer, all that invisible dirt, dust, and time is erased. And with every pass, it's like watching history being wiped away. Fact 8. Sharks existed before trees.
Fact 9. A day on Venus is longer than a year.
Fact 10. There's a fungus that turns insects into zombies.
Fact 11. The Eiffel Tower grows in summer.
Fact 12. There's a pink lake in Australia, Lake Hillier.
Fact 13. Wombat poop is cube-shaped.
Fact 14. Your body has more bacteria than human cells.
Fact 15. Space smells like burnt steak and welding fumes. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. So subscribe. There will be more awesome content. Bye!